Hello everyone. Welcome to Cloud Automation Guide, where we simplify DevOps, cloud, and automation for everyone. In today's video, we're covering a key concept in the Aria Automation service broker workflow, content sources. These are what allow your cloud assembly content, such as cloud templates, ABX actions, and Orchestrator workflows to show up in the service broker. Let's get started. What are content sources? Think of a content source as the bridge between your backend content and your end user catalog experience. In Cloud Assembly, you create things like cloud templates, Orchestrator workflows, ABX actions, and custom content from AWS or Azure. But none of that shows up in Service Broker until it's imported as a content source. That's what makes the content visible and usable as a catalog item. So to create a content source is pretty straightforward. First thing you do is you log into your Aria Automation console and click on the Service Broker tile. From there, you're going to click on Content and Policies, and then the Content Sources window is available. You're going to click New, and from here you see all of the available types of content sources that you can connect. By default, with just vCenter integration, you do not have an AWS content source. However, my lab environment is currently integrated with AWS, and so the AWS CloudFormation template source is a viable option. But for this example, we're just going to use the regular vSphere Cloud template. We're going to name our content source name, and then we're going to select a source project. The source project is the project that you've been associating with all of your cloud templates whenever you create them. In my case, it's the templates project. Then you're going to click validate, and then you're going to get a validation, and then if there's anything found, it will tell you that how much was found. In my case, it found 3 items. Then you click create and import. And that's it. Now you are ready to move on with the next step of creating a content sharing policy so that way you can actually make your catalog items visible to users. That's it for this overview on content sources in Aria Automation. Check the links below for the full blog post and other videos in this Aria Automation Quick Start series. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date on the most recent videos. Also, if you're looking for downloadable content to use in your Aria Automation efforts, head on over to cloudautomationguide.com where you will find all sorts of usable content to help you in your automation efforts. Until then, 3, 2, 1, keep automating.